burner.
Wait, where are you? No. Hello?
I did.
What the fuck? Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna go. They're all like, okay.
Yeah.
Whoa! That was so cool. Smells bad.
Alright.
That's so cool.
Yeah, straight above it.
Whoa!
Shit! Fuck that burn.
Yeah, Natalie or some girl was in the background saying, "Chris, stick it in me." Oh, Chris. Oh, and I was like, I'm gonna go. No, that's yours. That's your mess. That's your mess. Why are you like rubbing my leg up against your leg?
No. Yeah. Whoa, what did I do?
Oh, I think it's still recording.